Bahay, true, Pag-ibig financing ba hanap mo? Yung hindi lang mababa monthly, but also ayos ang quality. Baka pwede ka sa Rio. Kasi sa 10K lang na reservation and 13,917 na monthly DP, may bahay ka na. Isang 2-story modern duplex na pwedeng 2 to 4 bedrooms, may high ceiling na pwede lagyan ng loft or attic, and may extra space aside that you can use as parking. Sa Rio, okay din ang community kasi secured, flood-free, and may complete amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, and basketball court. Border Antipolo lang si Rio, kaya in just 15 minutes, nasa Sumulong Circle ka na. And from there, malapit na lang malls, grocery, market, church, schools, and hospitals. Interested ka ba sa Rio? Halika! Tripping tayo.